Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. Number 15. It go is to school time. So we have school and we have time and we have go and is. Looks like there are two subjects, but there are the two verbs, but not necessarily. So when you, in English, when you talk about time, we usually use it as the subject. It is time. It is time, and then we use to infinitive, to go to school. It is time to go to school. So it is the subject, verb, and this is complement, and then to go to school is going to be adjectival phrase. It is time to go to school. It is, so let's read this together. It is. And then T comes between two vowels, so it flaps. It is. It is. It is time to go to. Time to go to. Here, go to, but T comes between you and you, so it flaps. Go to. Go to. It is time to go to school. It is time to go to school. It is time to go to school. You don't need to say go to school. Go to. It is time to go to school. Into his backpack put books. So first of all, we have the subject here. He, and then put is the verb. Put, third person singular s. He puts what? So this one transitive verb, you need an object. He put what? He put books. He put books. Okay? Books. Where? Into. He put the books into backpack. B-A-C-K, P-A-C-K. So here we have two his. He put his books into his backpack. So this is the sentence. He put his books into his backpack. So he is the subject. Put is the verb. His books is the object. And then into his backpack is going to be adverbial phrase. Subject, verb, object. He put his books. Put his books. So when H has a word in front of it, it becomes silent. So it is like put cheese. Put his books. Put his books. He put his books into his backpack. One more time. He put his books into his backpack. So if you read this fast, it sounds like this. He put his books into his backpack. He put his books into his backpack. Bag, he backpack, his put, his on. We have 7 words, but we have the subject, so don't worry. He put is the verb, put, and third person singular s. He put what? He put what? So after put, you need an object. It looks like a backpack is the object. He put backpack. Backpack. Where? On his back. On his back. And then here backpack is going to be his. He put his backpack on his back. So this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. On his back is going to be adverbial phrase. Okay? So he put his backpack on his back. He put his backpack on his back. He put his. Again, same thing. Put cheese. He put his backpack on his. On. H is silent. On his. He put his backpack on his back. He put his backpack on his back. He put his backpack on his back. He stopped, goes, bus the to. So he is the subject, goes is the verb. He goes. Where do you go? He goes to. And then bus stop. Sorry, he goes to bus stop. He goes to the bus stop. So this one, this is the subject. Goes is the verb. To the bus stop is going to be adverbial phrase. He goes to the bus stop. No, the sentence he goes to. Here, he goes and then to. He goes to. He goes to. He goes to. And bus stop, there are two S's. You can cancel the first S. Say bus stop. Bus stop. He goes to the bus stop. He goes to the bus stop. He goes to the bus stop. The last sentence, we have he as the subject and then wait as the verb. He waits. Wait, but third person singular s. And after wait, we usually use for. He waits for bus. He waits for bus. He waits for the bus. He waits for the bus. Here, he waits for. He waits for. He waits for the bus. He waits for the bus. He waits for the bus. One more time. He waits for the bus.